This is a Nantclwyd y Dre. It's Wales's oldest known timber frame townhouse. It was built in 1435 and has had several extensions through the years and is interpreted to tell the story of each one of those periods of its history. We have an app which was produced by Cymru Welsh language television programme company, and it's based on iBeacon technology, and the idea is that the visitor can come to the house and will be able to have their own adventure through the history of the property. They'll be able to hire an iPad from the reception and they'll be able to walk around and discover as they go. Rather than having to rely on interpretation boards, which we find intrusive and which can disturb the atmosphere of the house. We felt that it was important to be able to engage a new generation and to be able to bring the house into the 21st century.
We came across a new technology called iBeacons. This is an iBeacon, and what the iBeacon does is it sends out a signal to your mobile device, and as you approach it triggers an action on that device. And in this case, in Nantclwyd y Dre, it triggers a video, a self-curated visitor guide. The iBeacons at Nantclwyd y Dre deliver video content, but also text content and some images from the archive, which I think really enhance the visitor experience. It means that Nantclwyd don't have to provide staff and visitor guides for every single visitor, that the device does that for them.
What we hope this app will do for us is to be able to get in a new generation, but also to encourage them to interact with their surroundings rather than walking around being glued to an iPad or glued to a device. The video footage triggers them to open cupboards or to look around or to pick up items within the house, so really engaging people with their surroundings. We had an existing pot of money which was about £5,000 for an existing project funded by the Heritage Lottery. This wasn't going to be enough to be able to do something of a project of this scale. Visit Wales had been approached by Cymru with the idea of developing this type of technology, and they were looking for a project to be able to trial it in. And then Visit Wales then thought of us and approached us with the idea. We were then able to match that with our existing pot of money. We're really hoping that we're going to see the benefits, particularly with the promotion and getting new audiences through the door. Really the key is increasing our footfall.